This feature is often overlooked when we look at our digital files, and it's this section here. If we go on File and File Info, starts off with just the basics, but here we can put in things like a document title, who painted it, some keywords about your image. This is really useful for search engines. You know, when you type in the word sunshine, for example, and you get lots of pictures with sunshine, and it all comes about from these keywords. But really important here is this copyright status. The default is unknown, but we can change that to copyrighted. And then the next one is this origin. Here we can put in our details. Now I wouldn't recommend putting in your stuff like your personal address or anything like that, which you have on this IPTC. But you can put in, if you have a website email address or a website address, and also the date created can go here. But it's all really good to put this information in. Once it's in, so if you put it onto your scan image, it will transfer over to your print file, and it will also be there in your web image. So you'll have this copyright data embedded into your web image. So to do this, it's very easy. So you have document title. In this case, I'm going to call it Sunlit Morning. And I'll say it's drawn by me. Then I'm going to put in my keywords here. Give it the title. I can also type in, it was originally done with pastels. I can put in my name, and I can also put in my website. And I can also put the fact that it's available as a giclée print. And then here I just want to change that to copyright. And then here I'll just put in all rights reserved. Then here, if you've got a copyright link on your website, like in your terms and conditions, that sort of thing, you can put a link here to your website. And then I don't normally worry about the origin, and then if you want to, you can go onto this IPTC, so it's automatically put in there the creator. Just put in your email address for a works email address, and your website address can go here. Once it's done, you can click on OK, and that's that file data now added to your digital image.